So I barely know this woman. We messaged once years ago because we shared the same last name. That's it. But according to my LinkedIn data, she might be the key to landing my next job. And buried in your LinkedIn data right now, probably the same kind of gold mine, and you just can't see it. So let me show you what I found. I came across this blog post by Logan Curry where he downloaded all 50 CSV files from his LinkedIn data export and used Claude code to analyze it. Now, I teach cyber professionals how to build their careers, and one of my core messages has always been build a personal brand, deliver consistent value, and your network will grow. But I never actually proven that with any data, so I decided to run the same experiment. What I found validated everything that I teach, but more importantly, I discovered something that could change how you approach your next job search altogether with high quality outcomes. Let me walk you through this. First, the network growth graph. This is my LinkedIn connections over time, and you can see it's pretty flat for years. I was working, doing my thing, pretty standard W2 stuff, but not really building in public. Then in 2019, I started Simply Cyber, started doing public speaking. Look what happens. This is what happens when you show up consistently and deliver value. I started creating content, hosting daily live streams, building community, and my network exploded. This isn't me bragging either, by the way. This is data proving that the advice I give actually works. So if you're wondering whether building a personal brand matters, here's your answer. The tool showed me other cool stuff, like how many of my connections I actually talked to versus just collected as names, my inbound versus outbound connection requests, even what LinkedIn thinks they know about me for ad targeting. Spoiler, they think I'm interested in hostage negotiations and fisheries management. I'm not. But here's where it gets really interesting. The blog post mentions you can take your LinkedIn data and combine it with a job description to get a gap analysis. So I tried it. I found this director of IT job posting here in Charleston, South Carolina for Charleston Water System. It's not a job that I'm actually applying for, but I was curious what the tool would tell me. I fed my LinkedIn data and this job description into Claude code, and what came back was honestly kind of mind-blowing. First, it tells you where you're strong. For me, PhD in cyber operations, 20 years of GRC experience, security architecture, policy development, vendor management. It even said my communication skills are exceptional because of my content creator background. I thought that was nice to hear. But then it hits you with the gaps. For this role, I'd need SCADA and ICS experience. That's industrial control systems, critical for water utilities, and I don't have any of that in my background. It also flagged that my experience is security focused, but this is a broader IT director role. Budget management experience exists, but needs emphasis. Utility sector experience, I don't have any. Now, if this analysis stopped right here, it'd still be very useful. You know what to study, what to emphasize in your resume, what to prepare for in interviews, and I feel like this is where many of us, including you, would have stopped or have stopped in the past using other AI tools, but it doesn't stop there. The value train is about to leave the station. Make sure that you're on board. This is sick. This right here is the game changer. This tool cross-referenced the job requirements with everyone in the LinkedIn network that I have, and it tells me who can help me close those gaps. So for SCADA knowledge gap, it gave me 6 names. Guess who was the top of the list? That's right, Cheryl Ozier, cybersecurity manager at Metropolitan Water District. Here's the thing, I barely know Cheryl. We connected years ago because we shared the same last name. We had a laugh about it, chatted for a bit, and that was it. But she works in water utilities. She understands SCADA in that context specifically, and according to this analysis, she's my best resource for filling this knowledge gap. Now think about that for a second. How long would it take you to manually figure out which of your thousands of network connections could help you with a specific job requirement? You probably wouldn't even think to reach out to someone you barely knew. But I guarantee if I messaged Cheryl right now and said, hey, I'm looking at a water utility IT role and I need to understand SCADA in that context, can I talk to you for 20 minutes to pick your brain? She would most likely say yes. Why? Because that's what professionals do. We help each other out, and we already have this kind of existing relationship. It also gives me 5 people in my network who work in water utilities, 5 IT directors I could learn from. That's an insider perspective right there and is awesome. The tool doesn't just tell me what's missing, it tells me how to frame what I already have. For this role, it suggested I emphasize my NIST 853 experience because it translates directly to utility security frameworks. My HIPAA compliance from MUSC shows I understand regulatory compliance. My GRC consulting, it's exactly what the role wants. My community leadership demonstrates vision and leadership. That's a cheat sheet for the interview. That's how you take your existing experience and position it for maximum impact. All right. So you're probably wondering, how do I do this for myself? Well, here's the process, and it's surprisingly simple. Step one, go on LinkedIn and request your LinkedIn data export. Go to settings, data privacy, get a copy of your data. Select download larger data archive for everything. It does take about 24 hours. They don't send you an email. You have to go back into LinkedIn, and where you go to, get your data, there'll be a button you can click to download it at that point. So come back the next day. Once you get it, unzip the file. It'll have a directory. You'll have about 50 CSV files with everything LinkedIn knows about you. You can see right there. You will need Claude Code. I use Claude Code Pro, which is like $20 a month. You could run into a threshold of running out of cycles for the day if you're on the free model. So just be mindful of that. Also, as a spoiler, I also put this 50 files into Google Notebook LM just to kind of do it across two different AI tools. I wasn't getting the visualizations on the Notebook LM. I was getting similar kind of outputs, but for me, I like the visuals because it's an infographic. If you know me for a second, I love some infographics. So I would stick with Claude Code. Once you get into Claude Code, you point Claude Code at your LinkedIn data folder so it knows it's there. You paste in the job description. You ask, analyze my LinkedIn data against this job description. Show me where I'm strong, where the gaps are, and which of my connections can help me close those gaps. And hit enter. It takes a couple minutes, and that's it. AI does the rest. I literally went in, grabbed some lunch, and came back, and then had this prompt shoved in my face or response. If you want the exact prompt I use, I'll put it in the description below. Logan's blog post also has tons of other prompts for visualizing your network. See posting patterns, analyzing your inbox quality, all kinds of cool stuff in there. Shout out to DJ BSEC, who actually turned me on to this blog post. Thanks, dude. Listen, guys, really quick, look at your LinkedIn network as a gold mine. Most of us can't see the value because we can't process all that raw data. This is awesome. This is like what AI was meant for in a power user hands, right? This tool makes it visible. It shows you who you should reach out to, what you need to learn, how to position yourself for the roles you actually want. Or if you're not even a good fit for the role, right? It might even tell you that. Here's what I want you to do. Go download your LinkedIn data. At least do that. But take it the next step, right? Run this analysis on a job that you're interested in. See what it tells you. And if you get interesting results, tag me in it. I want to see what you discover, because I guarantee that there's someone in your network right now who could change your career, and you just don't know it yet. If you got other cool use cases or prompts for this data set, put them in the comments below. I want to play with this and get as much value as I can for myself and for the larger community. So share what you find. There's a link to Logan's blog post in the description. There's a link to Claude Code, and it has all the steps on how to install it in the description. Everything you need to get yourself going. Now go out and find your own Cheryl Ozier out there in the world.